ओम सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। अन्तर्यश्च बहिर्विधूततिमिरं ज्योतिर्मयं शाश्वतं स्थानं प्राप्य विराजते विनमतावज्ञानमन्मूलयन्। पश्यन् विश्वमपीदमुल्लसति यो विश्वस्य पारे परः तस्मै श्रीरमणाय लोकगुरवे शोकस्य हन्त्रे नमः। ओम नमो भगवते श्रीरमणाय। श्लोक 17। भूतं भविष्यच्च भवत्स्वकाले तद्वर्तमानस्य विहाय तत्त्वम् हास्यान किं स्यात् गलितं भाविचर्चा। हास्यं न किं स्यात् गतभाविचर्चा विनैकसंख्यां गणनेव लोके। मीटर ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Until now, Ramana Maharshi was speaking on space-wise division or a spatial division. In this profound shloka, he talks about time-wise division, space-wise and time-wise. With regard to space, we said first person, second person, and third person. I, you, and that. I, Ahankara, you, the Jagat, and that Paramatma, space-wise. Here, he says time-wise. Space-wise, always we talk about horizontally space-wise, vertically time-wise. Past, present, and future are time-wise division. Kalatraya. 4, 8, 12, 14, 15. Now, with respect to time, we have Bhutaha, Vartamana, and Bhavishyat. Let us see what is this past. What past is? Past is what? Yesterday. The immediate past is yesterday. Does past really exist is the question. Does past really exist? Because when I am talking of the past, that is yesterday, am I talking outside yesterday? Does yesterday, what is yesterday is yesterday. Yesterday does existed outside yesterday? Outside means what? It had a separate yesterday to be called as yesterday. This is how English is. Does yesterday, that is yesterday, existed outside yesterday? No. Where is yesterday existing? Right now, today. I am talking about yesterday. Where or when? Now. There is no separate yesterday to speak. ನೆನ್ನೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು? ಇವಾಗ ತಾನೆ. Past I am talking about now, in the present. Where is past then? Past is not there. Does tomorrow, that is future, exist outside tomorrow? No. Think, very profound shloka. Swami Dayananda Saraswati, most liked shloka this is. When I learned, when I had gone to Rishikesh for this Upadesha Sara class, when Dayananda Swamiji, somehow he brings this shloka. There is no connection, but he will bring, because he likes this shloka very much. And hours together he will speak. This one shloka is enough for him to do 1 3-year Vedanta course. So yesterday did not exist outside yesterday. Tomorrow will not exist outside tomorrow. Tomorrow also, where I am telling now, only in the present. Think, only in the present. What we have now is today, 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 or now, now, now. The Power of Now book. Do you remember? Eckhart Tolle. I had a lot of respect initially when I read that book. When I read that book by Eckhart Tolle, The Power of Now, very millions selling a $1 million book or something that beautifully he wrote. And there was one other book, I think, The Single Movement or The New Earth. The other book is called The New Earth. Then how much respect I had, all gone. Taking Upanishadic quotations and telling it is there in Old Testament and in New Testament. Same Upanishadic mantra and saying that it is there in the Bible. Anyways, but profound book, both The Power of Now. In fact, The New Earth was better than The Power of Now. Okay. So what exists is only today. Tomorrow will not exist outside today. Yesterday will not exist outside today. Then what is this past and future? If you ask, past is other name for the memory which I am having. Past is the other name for the memory which I am having. What is future then? Future is my projection, daydreaming, imagination. That is the future. We have this statement, what we generally, past is hurting me. He or she hurt me. Hurted idyo illo gottilla English alli. Hurt me. Past will not hurt. Past memory will hurt. Because there is no past. Past memory will hurt. I cannot get over this hurt feeling. Many people will say, அன்னைக்கு அவ பண்ணிருக்க பாருங்க, அது எப்படியாவது நான் அந்த டிட் ஃபார் டாட் எடுத்துதான் ஆகணும். எடுத்துதான் ಆಗೋದು. ಅವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿರೋದನ್ನ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ದಿವಸ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು ನಾನು. ಏನು ಟಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟಾಟ್. I have to take tit for tat one day. There is no past as such to get hurt. Past is dead. Gone is gone. Swamiji, for you this is easy because you are just sitting in one asana and then chumma solinde irkel. But we know how difficult it is. We have to interact with many people. Day in and day out, lot of interactions. Everybody will hurt us. You are telling past is not there? Think. Yes, past is not there. Being a spiritual student, and if you say that when I see a person who has hurt me, I cannot tolerate that. ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಉರಿಯತ್ತೆ, ತಮಿಳು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ஒரு மாதிரி ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. You should take it for that for that person. You are not a spiritual person. Why? Because why that thought comes to you that I have to take revenge, or it is a hurt feeling, because revenge is second day you leave. That hurt is centered on where? I, the ahankara. That hurt is centered on I, the ahankara. How can you hurt me? I have my own feelings. That feeling is ahankara feeling. That is why we all get hurt. The best way is 16th chapter. Remember, kshama, forgiveness. Teja kshama dhritik shaucham adroho nati manita. If we are a spiritual students, we have to let it go. Simple. If we are not letting it go, you are behaving as a ahankara personified person. I will forget. Okay, something bad happened. I did not know. Maybe circumstances was like that. But I cannot see that person. I cannot see that person again. When I see that person who has hurt me, Rosha will come to me. Anger will come. Again, anger is based on what? Ahankara. See, A is also A-N-G-E-R, Ahankara. A-H-N-K-E-R is also Ahankara. Past is memory. Brush it aside. Gone. There is no past at all. It is only memory. That past we are discussing where? Now. In the present. In the present, are you hurt? In the past, you were hurt. As a memory. In the present, are you hurt? No. Then why to brood over the past? It is gone. All those dead feelings gone. See, we can be in that gone state from 9:15 to 10, but not after that or before that. We prepare ourselves to be calm during this state. So whatever you say during this time, yes, we agree. The moment we click the leave meeting button, it will start again. All the vasanas will come waiting. We have to put conscious effort. There is no past, mind you. Brush the memory aside. Because at the present, nobody has hurt us. If we are conscious of, nobody can hurt us even in the past, that was the present. Think. There is no past, and in future also, mere imagination. அது பண்ணிடுறேன் இது பண்ணிடுறேன் அப்படி because that imagination is centered on now, present. Think. Past, hurt feeling. Future, fear. Future means what? Fear for us. Past is hurt feeling. It is a projection. Fear. What will happen? It is only memory. It is only hurt feeling. It is only projection. It is only fear. Yes, of course, there is good feelings also. I'm not telling no. Because good feelings we forget, but we hold on to this gray area. Learn to brush it aside. Then you are a spiritual student. This one topic which I told, past and future, fear and memories. Swami Dayananda Saraswati took 2 classes and he took Upadesha Sara class. That memory is coming now. That class memory is now running in my mind. So Ramana Maharshi says, no past, no future, everything is centered on the present and now, right now. See the shloka, first line. Bhutam bhavishyaccha bhavat. Bhutam bhavishyaccha bhavat. Bhutam, past. Bhavishyaccha, future. Both past and future are bhavat. Bhavat means exist. Where do they exist? They exist in their own time. In their own time, in brackets you have to write, in the present time. Both past and future exist in their own time, that is present time. And Swakale is present. Bhavat is exist. In their own time is Swakale, that is present time. Now, interestingly, when you analyze this present, past and future we analyzed as memories and projection. When you analyze this present, it is again a mystery, isn't it? It is again a mystery because in present, it has its own length of time. Present has its own length of time, 24 hours. That is the time, English time, which we all follow. That is also takrar alone. Whether it is say sunrise to sunset or English time 12 a.m. to 12 next day 12 noon or 12 a.m. are different. Let's take 24 hours normal time without any confusion. In that 24 hours, let's say 9 to 10 is present. What about the rest 23 hours? 9 to 10 is present. What about 23 hours? Gone. Past. Mystery. Even in the 23 hours, this 1 minute right now, what happened to 59 minutes? I spoke just 2-3 minutes before. What happened to that now? God. Means what? Time is fleeting. Every second is fleeting. This moment gone now. When I said this moment gone, another gone, 2 gones. Think. We are building so many things in space wise and time wise, so many appointments. Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda says appointments will bring disappointments. In future, he says, appointments will bring disappointments in future. Correct. Think. It's a mystery. We don't know. Second line. So both past and future exist in Swakale, that is the present. And Tadvartamanasya Tattvam, second line. Tadvartamanaha. Vartamanaha is now. Tattva means what? It is an apparent notion caused by Ahankara. Tattvam is the reality, the Atma. And this apparent notion of not showing the reality is caused by Ahankara. Because consciousness is space-wise not limited, time-wise not limited. It is timeless consciousness. It is not a localized thing. Localized thing is what? Ahankara. Why does this Ahankara come into picture? We have to know the root of Ahankara first. Why does this Ahankara come into picture? Simple. Because of Deha Abhimana, or affection towards my body. When Ahankara comes, because I am having a hurt feeling because of this Shariram. 65 kgs, 68 kgs, 5 feet 7 inches. My weight and my height only I told. Don't have any surprise. Because of this Deha Abhimana, Ahankara comes. You did not treat me that day very well. Poche. Because of you only. What were you doing then? Buddhi liya unga. Because of you only ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ವಾ? To behave properly. If I was in the present without having the past and the future fear or imagination, I would not have got any hurt feelings. Think. Present means is also mystery. Present is right now, And this past, present, future comes because of deha abhiman, ahankar. Whenever deha abhimana is there, ahankara flows along with it. When deha abhimana is not there means when? Only during the sleep. So try sleeping now. No deha abhimana. So atma changed to ahankara because of deha abhimana, and that deha abhimana made me to talk about past, present, and future. And don't say that is why I will go to sleep, or I will have enjoy the nirvikalpaka samadhi state. No, that is not the answer. Even in nirvikalpaka samadhi, the person who is sitting in samadhi will have past, present, and future, before samadhi, during samadhi, after samadhi. That is not a big deal. Because there is also there deha abhimana. We have to drop the notion, that's all. Once I identify this atma appearing as ahankara, means atma becomes ahankara because of deha abhimana, past, present, future comes. Kalatraya apitishtaha. Vihaya, he uses the word vihaya. Suppose, not suppose, always, there is no suppose here. Why this kind of a thing comes? Because of ahankara, we have disowned the atma. Vihaya means disowning the atma through ignorance. Once we disown the atma, what happens? Unnecessarily, we spend time in some other discussions. Some other discussions. In the kalam correct? Rahu kalama, Yamaganda kalama, Gulika kalama. I think only 3 I know as of now. In the Lagnam correct? Dashabhukti. When is the next transit happening? Venus is already conjunct now. Padame liye sir. Padanda prachne ne kepome. He is conjunct, retrograde. Enge. Deha abhimana, when it is there, you have to believe in planets. You have to believe in muhurta. You have to believe in kumbhabhishekam. You have to believe your everything. Think. Time is the biggest mystery, I tell you. Vihaya means we have forgotten the Atman. Tattvam is equal to Atma. Tattvam Vihaya. Atma Tattvam Vihaya. And if we forget this, people are discussing unnecessary things, is what Ramana Maharshi is telling. Gata Bhavi Charcha, third line. Gata is past, Bhavi is future, Charcha is discussion. Without knowing this Atma Tattvam, people are unnecessarily discussing something else in the world. Iva Loke is also there in the fourth line. In this world, unnecessary, people are investing their time to discuss something. Stock market. Afghanistan, inner rate 5,000 rupees, one bottle, 7,000 rupees curd rice. One plate of curd rice is 7,000 rupees, it seems. Bisleri water, 5,000 rupees. Okay, Swamiji, why are you talking all this? You are always in the future or in the past. Let us stick to Saddarshanam. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. Think. He says, Hasya. If people think of all this, past and future, it is Hasya. It is the biggest joke. Hasyana kim syat? Isn't it a biggest joke in this world when they don't invest their time in the present moment of Atma Tattvam and they talk about past, future, something else? Ayo, I am hurt. Ayo, I am in fear. Biggest joke. When Mahatmas like such jnanis, when they say biggest joke, they're actually cursing us. Hey Murkha, hey Moodhamate, Govindam Bhaja, Nahi Nahi Rakshati. Dukrun Karane can be taken for all this Charcha also, not only Sanskrit grammar. Dukrun Karane, don't think of the past. Govindam Bhaja, Aham Govindam Eva Bhaja. Aham Govindam Eva Bhaja. And this Atma Tattvam is like what? He's telling, Ekam Sankhyam Vina Ganana Ivaloke. Beautiful. Ramana Maharshi. Ekam Sankhya Vina Ganana Ivaloke. He's telling, this Atma Tattvam is like number one. Example he's giving. One number, numeric one. Like focusing on the things other than the number one. Because based on one only, 2, 3, 4 follows. If I have to give the value for 2, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. How this 2 came? Because of the 1. Atma Tattvam. Ekam Sankhya Vina Ganana Ivaloke. 1 alone is manifesting as 2. 1 alone is manifesting as 3, 4, etc. Know that what 1 is first. But we are busily interested in 2, 3, 4. However much number you have, without 1, no value. Even if you have studied the Gospel of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, he always says the importance of 1. And he calls 1 as God. However much you write in check 0, 0, 0s, if you don't add 1, what is the value for that check? 1 crore rupees and all zeros, 6 or 7 zeros. If you don't add 1, what is the value for the check? And Ramakrishna Paramahamsa says that 1 is God should be in your life. Add 1 which is God. All the other zeros are immaterial. God will take care. That 1 will take care of all the zeros. Here same thing Ramana Maharshi is also telling. Their God, here Atma. That's all. Saguna Brahma Upasana, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Here Guna Brahma, Adhishthanam, Ramana Maharshi. Same. Both are one and the same. So, Ekam Sankhya Vina, focus on that Tattvam as one instead of mere discussions of past, future, tit for tat. Leave that. Spiritual students should never have an attitude of tit for tat. If you are, then you are not a spiritual person. Pathakla aprama. First I will take tit for tat, then I will become a spiritual student. That will never come to your life if you have that thinking process. First, what all I want, I will satisfy in my life. Then I will see if I can become a spiritual student. Drop. Yes, we have dropped. Until 10, we will drop. Ella drop pannida in class 11 dirko. 10, 15, 10, 10 ಆಚ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೋರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾರದು ಮನೆ ಡೋರು ನಾಕ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಶ್ವಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಗಂಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. Because they don't know, we are discussing time here. They are also discussing time. Time ಆಚೆ ಬರಲಿಯೇ, ಟೈಮ್ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿಯೇ, ರೂಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿಯೇ. Ekam Vina, concentrate on that one as Adhisthana Atma. Very profound shloka, worth contemplating. We don't have time, we will go to the next shloka. Kvabhati dikkala katha vina samana. Kvabhati dikkala. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗೋಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರಿ. ನಿದ್ದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ 18ನೇ ಶ್ಲೋಕ ಕೊಡಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳ 14 ಇದೆ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿ 16 ದಿಕ್ಕಾಲಲೀಲೇಹ ವಪುರ್ವಯಂ ಚೇತ್ ನ ಕ್ವಾಪಿ ಭಾಮೋ ನ ಕದಾಪಿ ಭಾಮೋ ವಯಂ ತು ಸರ್ವತ್ರ ಸದಾ ಚ ಭಾಮಃ. ಸರಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಶ್ಲೋಕ. ಅಸ್ಮಾನ್ ವಿನಾ ದಿಕ್ಕಾಲ ಕಥಾ ಕ್ವ ಭಾತಿ. The uniqueness of Ramana Maharshi is in the question itself he gives an answer. Makes us think. He makes us think. Asman vina dikkala katham kva bhati. Dik means deshaha. Kalaha means kala, the time. Katha means vyavahara, the interactions. Where is the possibility of space-wise, time-wise vyavahara transactions without asman vina, without I the chaitanyam? Where can you talk about space-wise and time-wise discussions, transactions? I am here in Tiruvannamalai, you are there in Bangalore. If you have to come here, space-wise. If you have to talk to me, time-wise. Think. Without this mass consciousness as Sat, when it is pervading, without this, can space-wise and time-wise exist? The subject Chaitanyam. Kva bhati. Kva bhati means, where do we experience this duality as space and time without I the Chaitanyam? Asman vina. Asman is equal to Adhishthanam Atma. And remember, what type of I? Two I's are there. One is capital I, one is small I. Small I is Ahankara, capital I is Atma, the substratum, the Adhishthanam, or the original I. Why this differentiation comes, he says, Vayam vapuhu chet. Second line, Vayam vapuhu chet. Vayam means we. Vapuhu, deha, body. Chet. Chet is equal to Sharira Abhimana. When I identify myself with the body, the Adhisthana I becomes Ahankara I. When I identify myself with the Abhimana, with the Sharira Abhimana, before identify, I was the capital I, the Adhisthana I. Once I identify, I become a small I, Ahankara I, because of Deha Abhimana. He says, Vapuhu chet. Vapuhu. Once I become identified, then past, present, future will come. Then what do you want me to do if you ask? Be in that I. How to be in that I? This knowledge should be available to you all the time. Then you will not become small I. Then you will not become small I at all. You will not fall into samsara. Because identifying myself with Sharira means falling into samsara. Falling into samsara means limitation. First day, mrutyuhu. Division came. Here time division is also coming. I was happy yesterday. I am imagining about tomorrow, which is fearful. I cannot be happy. I have fallen from my higher reality. My higher reality is Purna Atma, whereas now Apurna Ahankara. It's not Apurna Atma also. Atma is never Apurna. It's not Purna Ahankara also. Apurna Ahankara, because you can never satisfy Ahankara. Never. Because it is small I always attached with the Sharira. Remember, Bhagavan also will take Sharira. It is called as Avatara. Our thing is called Janma. Janma is born out of karma, whereas Avatara is born out of Leela. You remember 4th chapter Bhagavad Gita? Hel Mat Shloka, 4th chapter. Imam vivasvate yogam proktavahanam avyayam imam vivaswan manave praha manurikshva kave bhavit evam parampara praptam imam rajashayo viduhu sakale neha mahata yogo nashtah parantapa sa eva yam maya tedhyam yogah proktah puratana bhakto sime sakha cheti rahasyam heteduttamam. अर्जुन उवाच अपरं भवतो जन्म परं जन्म विवस्वतः कथमेतद्विजानीयां त्वमादौ प्रोक्तवानिति श्रीभगवानुवाच बहूनि मे व्यतीतानि जन्मानि तव चार्जुन तान्यहं वेद सर्वाणि न त्वं वेत्तः परन्तप अजोऽपि सन्नव्ययात्मा भूतानामीश्वरोऽपि सन् अजोपि संव्ययात्मा भूतानामीश्वरोऽपि सन्. आमेले
प्रकृति
प्रकृतिं स्वामधिष्ठाय संभवाम आत्मा मायया ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಹೋಗೋದು. See what he says, hey Arjuna, I had taught this to whom? First shloka na imam vivasvate yogam. This knowledge I had taught it to imam vivasvate, vivaswan surya. Imam vivasvate yogam proktavanaham avyayam. Surya taught this to Vivan manave praha. Surya taught this to Manu. Manu ikshva kave bravit. He taught it to Ikshvaku. So this knowledge, which is from time immemorial, it is flowing from the Guru Parampara. Evam parampara praptam imam rajashrayo viduhu. Surya Vamshana helkottidini antidare. Krishna is in Chandra Vamsha. Means what? He is there time immemorial. Rajashrayo viduhu sakale neha mahata yogo nashtah parantapa. During the time, this traditional knowledge is lost. So we also talk now. During our time, it was not like this. Means what? Parampara out. Sa evayam maya tedyam yoga prokta sanatana. I have started this tradition of teaching puratana. Bhaktosime sakha cheti. I am teaching this knowledge to you again. Why? Because you are my bhakta, my devotee. And not only that, extra qualification, he says, Bhaktosime sakha cheti. You are my best friend. That is why I am teaching you. There are many devotees, but I have not taught everybody. I didn't give this knowledge to Yashoda. She is also my devotee. Though she is my mother, I didn't give, but you are my friend. Because many of the things we don't tell in family, we tell to our friend, isn't it? That is why Krishna is also telling, you are my devotee plus friend. Bhaktosime sakha cheti rahasyam heteduttamam. This is the highest of the secrets. Here secret means not upadesha. Panchadashi mantra kadle sollano, velile sollakudadu. Appadi kadiyadu. Rahasyam here means important teaching. Rahasyam heteduttamam. Immediately Arjuna got Gurudev Chinmayananda writes, wonderstruck. How can Krishna tell that he has taught this to Surya? Aparo bhavato janmaha. Your janma is very recent. You and I was born in the same government hospital. Same bed we have shared. Aparo bhavato janmaha. Param janma vivasvataha. Vivaswan Surya's janma is time immemorial. Where is Surya? Where are you? Aparo bhavato janma katam etad vijaniyam tvamado proktavaniti. How can I understand that you have taught this parampara knowledge to Surya? Because I see you next, you are my next door neighbor. Krishna, beautiful, clever Krishna. Because In 2-3 days, Krishna Ashtami is coming. 30th August, Monday is Krishna Ashtami. Confusion bada. Bhagavan, Arjuna, sorry, Krishna says, Bahuni me vyatithani janmani tava Arjuna. I have taken many births, Arjuna. You also have taken many births. I know everything, but you don't know anything. Nattam vetta parantapa. I know everything because for me it is Leela. And why it is Leela? Because you come from karma. Because you are using this I ahankara, that is why you don't know how many janmas. You forget everything. Because I as Atma, I know who am I. I keep on coming. Means what? Keep on coming means Atma is always there, devoid of any janma. Shankara Bhashya ಓದ್ಬೇಕಿದಲ್ಲಿ. He says, Atma is continuous. He writes very beautiful. Later ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Ajopi sannavyayatma bhutanam ishwaropi san. I am the consciousness, Ajaha. That is the name of Krishna. When you are doing Ashtotra for Krishna Janmashtami, use this word, Ajaya Namaha. Ajopi san avyayatma. I am avyaya, imperishable. Bhutanam ishwaropi san. I am the Ishvara in all the bhutas. Prakritim swam adishthaya. I keep Prakriti, that Maya, in me, so that Maya is in me. Sambhavami Atma Mayaya. I come as my own self, as the highest reality, because Maya is in my control. If we are able to keep Maya in our control, means what? Ahankara in our control, we become Krishna. Because we don't keep Maya, that is why Mayavati also doesn't listen there. Our Ahankara also will not listen to us. From I, the capital, to small I is the problem. See, the capital I is the Adhishthanam. That is the solution. The problem is also small I. Small I to capital I is moksha. Nothing else. Small I is the problem. Solution is capital I. Change the I. Become capital. That is moksha. Correct shloka. He says, see, Vayam vapuhu chet. Vayam vapuhu chet. Once you identify yourself with the shariraha, it becomes adhyasa. There is no more adhishthanam. Afterwards, what happens? Dikkala leela. It is the play of time and space. Dikkala leela. Dik is space, kala time, and leela. Once samsara comes because of deha vimana, then fighting against many obstacles in life continues. Fighting against insecurity, old age, corona, vaccine, everything continues. Rahu Dasha, Shani Dasha, remedies, everything will start. Everything will start. Bhagavad Gita Nitya Parayana, no other parihara is required. Saddarshanam, next I will tell if somebody asks. I am facing a lot of issues in my life. Which Parayana I should do? Please tell me. Saddarshanam. Which shloka? This shloka. 17th and 18th. They will ask, can I know the meaning? Yes. If you know the meaning, you will not chant. So better don't know the meaning and chant. So there can be no solution apart from you being the reality. Tackle the ahankara, everything is fine. How to tackle ahankara? If you ask, same question, same answer. Reduce deha vimana. We have seen. Time is over. I'll rush through. Third line. Nakvapi bhamaha. Nakvapi means na. We do not exist in any particular time. Kvapi means place. I do not exist in a particular place because I am akhandaha. Na kadapi bhamaha. Kadapi means time-wise limitation also is not there. Space-wise limitation is also not there. I do not exist in a particular time. I as Atma do not exist in a particular place. Where do I exist in? Vayam tu sarvatra bhamaha, sada bhamaha. Vayam tu sarvatra sada bhamaha. Satyabhamaha. என்னுடைய பூர்வாசிரமத்து அம்மா பேரு சத்யபாமான்னு பேர். அவருக்கு எப்படி எதுக்கு சத்யபாமான்னு பேர் வச்சாரோ தெரியல. பட் அந்த சத்யபாமா இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஆத்மஸ்வரூபா. Her father and mother would have kept as Krishna's wife, Rukmini Satyabhama. But the real name of Satyabhama is Atma Tattvam. Satya, the reality. Bhama is existence. Satyabhama means the truth, the existence. Atma Tattvam. Not the local Krishna's wife Satyabhama. If Krishna can manage 16,000 Gopika Stris, and for us managing one person in house is difficult. One person ne takrar. Right? 16,000 he's managed, and he's comfortable to manage few more also. Why? Because Sambhavami Atma Maya. There is no small I in him. He keeps the Ahankara Maya within himself while transacting in the world. But we keep that Purna Aham within us and transact with Maya. That is a problem. We have to just reverse. Swayam tu sarvatra bhamaha, sada bhamaha. In all 3 periods of time, let us focus on that existence consciousness principle, which will help us in removing the problem of I, the Ahankara, to Adhisthana Purna I, that is Atma. Na jayate mriyate va kadachit nayam bhutva bhavita va na bhujah ajo nitya shashvato yam puranah na hanyate hanyamane sharire. Ella Gita shlokas. Om Sham Purnam Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutam Gamaya Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.